Hello friends, here we will discuss mains level number series questions. As you know, in mains, 3 number series we have to solve in each of this particular question where 3 variables are given, that means in forms of missing number series, and we will tell that what is the exact relation is there between the 3 variables, that means in forms of greater than, less than or equal to symbol, right? So this will take a little longer time than what it actually takes to solve a single number series question. So we will deal with it and see what are the kind of logic that generally comes in mains, and some advanced logic is also there. Just try to understand these questions here, and you will definitely get something better out of it. Okay, so let's move to the first slide here. 2 questions here on your screen, question number 1 and 2. Let's see. 50655, right? First read it. 506. Okay, write it down here. 55 to 110, 31, 58 and A. See, the logic is follows 8 cube. This is close to 8 cube. 506 close to 8 cube. This is close to 7 square. This is close to 6 cube. Alternate cube and square, and the base number is getting decreased by 1. This is 5 square. This is 4 cube. Now 4 cube minus 6. This is 5 square plus 6. This is minus 6. This is plus 6. And this is again minus 6. So here it obviously be plus 6. And this is 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 should be. And this is square. That means the value of A, which is 9 plus 6, that is 15. Right? Okay, next one. That is 54, 225, 576, 729, B and 9. Right? Now, all the numbers having 9 as a factor. By seeing the number, you will understand, right? So, if you take 9 common, to make the better visibility, what's the logic follows here? This is 6, this is 25, this is 6, 9, 54, 36, 4. This is 64, this is 81, this is gap, and this is 1. See, 25 is what? 5 square, right? 64 is 4 cube. 81, we can write it as 3 to the power 4, right? Now 543, what it should be? This is 2, this is 1, the base number I am talking about. So this is 2 to the power 5, this is 1 to the power 6, again gives 1, right? So 2 to the power 5 it would be, and then multiplied by 9, and here the initial one, that is 6 to the power 1, again 6. So the logic is perfectly satisfied here. So 9 multiplied by 2 to the power 5, that is 32, and which is the value of B, which is 288. This is the value of B, this is the value of A, and find out the next one, that is 21, 23, 35, 65, 121 and C. Take the difference here, because the numbers is not increasing rapidly, so we will deal with the consecutive difference only. Right, so this is 2, this is 12, this is 30, and this is, if we take 60, that is 125. 125, that is 4 more than 121. So 4 we have to subtract from the earlier value we have taken, that is 60. So 60 minus 4, that is 56. Now by seeing this number 2, 12, 30, 56, can you understand one thing? This is what you have to remember, that is 2 is 1 into 2, 12 is 3 into 4, 30 is 5 into 6, 56 is 7 into 8. Now you can understand that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 consecutive 2 numbers multiplication is going on. So this is what? This difference, that should be 9 into 10. 9 into 10, that means 90. 90 added to 121. This gives the value of C, that is 211. Right? So what's the logic here? Right? 1 into 2, consecutive 2 numbers multiplication. That is 1 into 2, 3 into 4, 5 into 6, 7 into 8, 9 into 10. So the relation between A, B, C, A is 15, that means A is less than B, B is 288, C is 211, that means B is again greater than C. So this is answer. Right, next 230, 239, 252, 271, 298 and A. Again take the difference 9, this is 13, this is 19 and this is 27. Second level difference, what it is? That is 4. This is 6. This is 8. So 4, 6, 8. This should be 10. So this is 37. 37 added to 298. 2 added to 298. 300. That means plus 35. So 335. A is 335. Right. The next one, 42. B, 138. 186. 282. 346. We can't take the difference here. Similarly here as well, but here we can take the difference, right? So this is 48. This is 82. That means 90, 60, 98, 96, 96. Yes. This is 96. And here it is 18. This is 64. Whenever less number is there, try to find out some logic depending upon the number itself. Don't depend some other number. Don't depend on the consecutive number, that what's the relation coming here. Better to find out some relation based on the numbers. The base number itself is given in the question. So here 1 into 3 into 8, if we multiply the digits of the number, that gives 24. 24 double 48. This is 48 double 96. This is 32 double 64. Right? So here also this 42, that means 8 is here, double is 16, 16 is the difference here, that means 58. Now check it, 58, that is 40, 40 double, that is 80, 80 added to 58, that is 138. Yeah, satisfying. So the value of B, that is 58. Next, 159, 185, 213, C, 275 and 309. Check the difference here, that is 26. This is 15, 13, 28. We can't take the difference here, but here we can take the difference, that is 34. Now one thing you have to understand, that here this is 26, 28, 34. The difference started with 2 only. So if we take the difference here, that is 30, that is 32, 34, it's satisfying. So in this kind of question, you have to understand that if the difference here 2 is given and here it's 34, not the difference is not increasing much. So if we take the consecutive difference, that may serve the purpose. So you have to make some Hitteltrend condition in this kind of questions to get the answer in minimal time. Okay, and most of the time it serves the purpose. So this is, yeah, constant difference comes here, 2, 2, 2 and 2, right? So this is 30, 213, 30. This gives the value of C, which is 243. So A 335, B 58, C 243. So the relation is like A greater than B, B less than C. This is it. I hope you understood it. Moving to next. A 35, 61, 102, 167. Right? Check the difference here. This is 26. This is 41. This is 65. Right. Again, the difference is 15 here. Difference is 24 here. Right. Now, if we take again the difference, that is only one term. That's very hard to find out what's the exact logic. But yes, what we can do here, 3 into 8, 3 into 5. So difference is 3. Why not we can take the difference here also. This is 3 into 2 here. That means this 3 is common in all the terms, but 2, 5, 3. The difference is 3. The second term multiplication, that difference comes as 3. So 2 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 8 in this way, right? So this is 6. So this is 6. 6 is the difference. That means this is 20. The difference is 6 here. Now this is 20. Difference between A and 35. 35 is more. So what's the value of A? That is 15. Right? So value of A, that is 15 here. Right. The next one, 121, 123, 127, 137, 159 and B. 2, this is 4, this is 10, this is 22. We can't find this difference because we have to find out the value of B here. Take the second level difference. This is 2, this is 6, this is 12. 2, 6, 12. Again, some very common set. This is 2. We can write it 1 into 2. 6. We can write it 2 into 3. 12. We can write it 3 into 4. So what is the logic here? 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4. The next one is 4 into 5. Right? The final number of the earlier set is just multiplied to the next set. That's it, in consecutive form. That is 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, like that. So this is 20. Difference here, that means this should be 42. 42 is the difference between 159 and B. So the value of B, that is 201, right? The next set, that is 72, 82, 105, 145, 204 and C. This is 10, this is 23, this is 40, this is 59, right? So this is 13, this is 17, this is 19. Now here it can be 21 or 23. Why? I will tell you, just solve it first. This is 21, this is 80 or this is 82. Now the value of C can be 284 or 286, right? Now see one thing, that 13, 17, 19 all are prime number as well as odd number. If we consider this 13, 17, 19 as an odd number, then we can take 21 is the next number, the difference. But if we consider this 13, 17, 19 as a prime number, then 23 we have to consider, right? So I have taken these two possible cases here intentionally to make you understand that odd number series and prime number series both can be possible in this kind of scenario, 13, 17, 19. Though in the examination this kind of confusing stuff would not be there, but yes, you have to understand that 13, 17, 19, the next term can be 31, either 21 or 23. That is the thing here. But again, I am telling here that in the exam this kind of confusion would not occur, but yes, for our practice, for our understanding, this kind of discussion would be needed, right? So that's why I am telling here. Again, if I consider 284 or 286, there is not even any confusion, because all the both the values of A and B are well less than C, right? So the relation here, A less than B, B less than C. Whatever the values of C, either 284 or 286, this relation holds good. Next, 41, 51, 65, 95, 161 and A. This is 10, this is 14, this is 30, this is 66, this is 4, this is 16, this is 36. 4, 16, 36. This is 2 square, this is 4 square, this is 6 square. What is the next? This is 8 square, can be. So this is 64. This is 64, right? So this would be 130. 130 added to 161, that is the value of A, that is 291, right? Next, 21, 23, 33, 52, 75 and B. This is 2, this is 10, this is 19, this is 23. Now this is 8, this is 9, this is 4. What is next? 894. At first moment you may think that this is wrong. No, this is not wrong, this is correct. This is 2 cube here, this is 3 square, this is 4 to the power 1. Now can you find out the logic here? Base number is increased by 1, that means here it's 5, and the power is decreased by 1, that means 3, 2, 1 and that is 0. That 0 means this is 1, the difference. So difference is 1 added to 23, that is 24 here. 24 is the difference between 75 and B, that means the value of B is 99, right? C, 68, 106, 165, 252, 374. This is 32, 38. This is 59. This is 35, 87. This is 122. Again, check the difference. 21. This is, if it's 60, then 27, but 1 less, that means 28. Here it's 13, less than 100, 13, this is 35. Now, by seeing this number 21, 28, 35, what do you think? All the numbers multiple of 7 only, right? So, if this is 7, just factorize it. 3 into 7, this is 4 into 7, this is 5 into 7, right? That means this difference should be 2 into 7, that means 14. If this is 14, that means this is 24. 24 is the difference between these two, that means this should be 44, the value of C, right? So, the value of C, that is 44. So, what's the relation between A, B and C? A greater than B, B greater than C. Simple relation, right? Moving to next. A 71, 123, 198, 302, 441. Now, this is 29, so that is 52. This is 75. This is, if 200, 102. 102 plus 2, 104. This is 139. We will move to second level difference here. This is 23. This is 25, 29. This is 35. Now, can you get any picture from this? Yes. 23, 29, 35. That means constant difference comes here. 6, 6. So, obviously, here it comes. That means this difference we are talking about. That means 17 here. 17, this is 6. 17 means this is 35. 35 is the difference between A and 71. 71 is more. So, the value of A is 36. So, the value of A here is 36. Right? Next. 1030, 1098, 1168, B and 1314. Right. Now, numbers are very less here. At the first moment, you may understand that this is a tough one or the numbers are very less. How the logic can be easily find out, right? See, these numbers at times you have to take into account that the squares of numbers. I told you earlier to remember the squares of numbers up to 50, right? So these are the kind of stuff where it would help. See, 32 square. This is 1024, right? Plus 6, 33 square. 1089 plus 9, 34 square. Why I am taking this square value at the very first moment by seeing this number? Because these are the closest number of the given number in the series, right? Nothing else. So 1156 plus 12. These are the numbers 1156, 1089, 1024. These are the numbers which you have to remember. Only then you can solve this kind of series very easily. Otherwise, you will find out the difference and try to some other logic. That would also help. But if you remember these numbers, that would help very beautifully, right? So this is it. And if this is 35 square, we don't know. Just check it. And this is 36 square. 36 square. That means 1296. 1296 plus 18. This is now. See if it serves 32, 33, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So this is 6, addition term, 6, 9, 3 increase, 3 increase, 3, 6 increase. That means this should be 3 increase, 15, it would be. Now, 1225 plus 15, which will give 1240. This is the answer here, right? Okay, this is the value of B, this is the value of A here. And the next one, 157, 211, 273, 343, C and 507. Now this is 54, this is 62, this is 70. We don't know what's the difference here. We don't know what's the difference here. See here, this is 8, this is 8. So as soon as we understand that this consecutive 2 difference is 8, that means it gives me a feeling that this can be the constant difference. At the second level, this gives the constant difference. So this may be 8 again. So this is 78. Let's check it. This 78, that means 411. If this is 411, so here, what's the difference here? That not the 78 with, but from the 411. Right, 411 to 507. That means 86. Yes, 86 satisfied. Again, the constant difference 8 here. That means the value of C is 411. Right? So what's the relation here? That means A less than B, B greater than C. Right. Next, 81A, 97, 112, 157, 205. Now here A is given, so we can't find the difference here as well, but here we can find the difference. This is 3, this is 15. 15. This is 45. This is 48. Now here, though the number is very less, very less, but yes, one thing we can understand, that 15 multiplied by 3, 45. 45 plus 3 gives 48. So why not we are going to check this is alternate plus 3 or and multiple of 3? Multiple of 3 plus 3, multiple of 3 plus 3. This can be the logic. Let's check it. If this is 12 and this is 12, yes, 3 is a factor of 12, so this can be 4. Multiple of 3, which will give 12. That's why I'm taking 4 here. So this is 85. Yeah, it perfectly satisfies. Now, next one, 19, 10.5, 11.5, B, 97, 777. 19, 10.5, close to half. So if this is multiplied by half, that means 9.5 plus 1. This is multiplied by 1 plus 1. This is we don't know, but yes, 97, 777. It should be multiple of 8. 8 multiple of 100, 800. But 3 less, 3 multiplied by 8, that means 24. So 24 minus 800, that means 776. 776 plus 1, right? This is 777. Now plus 1 is added here as well. So plus 1 should be there in each of this term. That means if half 1, this is 2, this is 4, this is 8. Satisfied? So this should be multiple of 2 plus 1, that means 24. 24 for verification, just check it, into 4 plus 1, that means 97. Yeah, it satisfies. So the value of B here, that is 24. Next, 1, 7, 37, 151, C, 919. Now see, 37, 151. We'll start from here because it seems that this is close to 4 multiple, right? 37 into 4, 148, 148 plus 3, which will give 151. See, whenever this kind of scenario comes, the 37 multiple of 4, just double it, double the base number and again double it. That will serve the purpose. That means 37 double 74, 74 double 148. That's it. 148 plus 3, that means 151. Now, this is multiple of 4. This is 7. To get 37, we can multiply it by 5 plus 2, right? Yes. So if we take this as multiple of 6, then 1. So multiple of 6 plus 1, multiple of 5 plus 2, multiple of 4 plus 3. This sounds a good logic, right? So this is multiple of 3 plus 4. It will give 3, 457, right? 457. So 457 multiple of 2 plus 5. Will it start? Will it give the same value 919? Let's check it. So 914 plus 5, which is 919. Yeah, perfectly satisfy the condition. So the value of C, that is 457. Okay, so all three values are here. A is 85, B is 24 and C is 457. So the relation here is A is greater than B, B is less than C. That's it, right? Okay, so by now we are done with 6 number series question. Actually, we solved 18 number series questions here in the session, right? All are very, very important. The logic we have discussed here, this can be a very helpful while you are going to take the mains examination. So practice more number of number series, and which will eventually help you to understand the logic in no time, absolutely in no time. And yes, at times it may be happen that whatever the logic is given in the upcoming examination, you may not find out what the logic is going on behind any particular question. If you stuck in anywhere, just leave it and move forward. That's the only mantra here. And that is all for now. And one more thing, practice more number of questions. That's the only thing to make yourself comfortable with this kind of number series questions, especially when it comes to the question of mains level number series question. Okay, so practice more number of questions. That is a good practice for you all, and that's all for now. Good time.